Up and take notice. I bet you'll think so too, Miss Ginger.
Well, Maxwell, men seldom know much about styles. What I notice about a dress is the natural effect when a woman wears it. Some girls always seem to have that right on the beam look, you know what I mean?
Well, I think I know what you have in mind, Miss Ginger. Is good grooming. Screen stars certainly put great emphasis on it. A perfect hairdo, fresh, beautifully cared for skin, those are the essentials.
That must be the reason Lux toilet soap continues to be a studio standby, no matter how often other styles change.
Well, that's what many of my favorite movie stars say, and I agree. My beauty facials are so quick and easy and work so well. I'm never without a supply of Lux toilet soap. I can depend on it for a daily complexion care.
I wish you'd tell the ladies in our audience how easy these Lux soap facials are, Ginger.
Well, I'll let you in on a secret. I cover my face with the fragrant Lux soap lather and work it in well. I rinse with warm water, then cold, then use a soft towel to pat my skin dry. Give skin quick new beauty.
Daily Lux soap facials do make skin lovelier. Recent tests by skin specialists proved it. In 3 out of 4 cases, complexions became softer and smoother in just a short time. Oh. A lovely Lux complexion makes a woman so attractive. I wish every girl who hasn't tried Lux toilet soap would begin using it tomorrow.
That's sound advice, Mr. Halpern. When 9 out of 10 screen stars recommend a beauty soap, you know it has to be good. Say, folks, why not try Lux soap? Hollywood's own complexion soap. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to sample that lovely complexion of Miss Ginger Pauley as we invite her to sing for you. What are you going to sing for us, Ginger?
This is called, Is There Anything Wrong in That?
I don't know, is there?
We'll find out. Try real hard to find them out. Well, I don't understand, so I'm confessing that I don't know just what it's all about. You see, I don't know the bad things from the good, because my mother never told me all she should. A man showed me a law belief. He says it's yours easy. Every day it's something